What's up everybody? In this video I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I found and I'm keeping my eye on. Not sure exactly how they're gonna do. It's very hard to predict, especially right now with this market, with everything that's happening in crypto and with FTX crash. There's not a whole lot of stuff is going on. There are even some hyped NFT projects are not doing very well because looks like a lot of those projects not even looking at the market, see what's going on, and they're setting up very high mint price and nobody's buying them because a lot of people before minting looking at the OpenSea volume and see if people are actually buying off the secondary market or not. And that's why even some fairly high projects are still failing in this market. I'm just not really sure what's going on with the project founders. They're not listening either to their community or they're not looking at the current market conditions, and they'll just think that their project with almost like 10,000 NFT supply and setting up like 0.25 Ethereum mint price that they're gonna sell out. Unfortunately, not in this market. So here's 3 projects that I want to show you guys that I'm gonna keep my eye on, and hopefully I can get whitelist spots for all projects and maybe make some money. But before I show you the projects, I just have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. Always do your own research before investing money into any NFT projects or cryptocurrency projects. So first project, it's called Dumpies. They already have a website. So it looks like if they follow you, you mint for free. At the time of recording this video, they have almost 20,000 followers. And as you can see, they're getting decent interaction on their Twitter post. So I think this is an interesting project that I'm gonna keep my eye on. I don't know a whole lot who's behind it, but since it's a free project, I'm gonna try to get a whitelist spot. Then the second one is called fanCPlace. Again, just free mint, only 3,000 NFTs joined, so they already have a Discord and then they have a website. And then as you can see, also getting decent interaction on their Twitter post. Not sure exactly how that's gonna do, but we're just gonna have to wait and see. And the last project, it's called Hey Ripper, and I'm actually very hyped on this project. They have decent following, they have almost 90,000 followers, and then as you can see, they're getting a lot of interaction on their Twitter post. And they have a premium link, so if you register, maybe you can get yourself a whitelist spot like that, because it's not really going to be easy to get a whitelist for this project. It's just because how hyped it is, and again, it's a free mint, so I think it's going to be a decent project either to flip or if you really like the art and you decide to keep for a long term. And as you can see, looks like they're doing some hyped giveaways, like they're collabing with a very hyped project like Mitsubishi NFT, this one right here, and looks like it's also getting a lot of interaction on their Twitter post. So this is another one that I'll do my best to get a whitelist spot because I think this project has a decent potential. And this is pretty much it, all the projects that I talk about. I'm gonna leave links in the description below, and if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.